Helicopter 777 showing November, Boca Tower, traffic citation on your left side. Departure is at your own risk and stay north of the runway.
North of the runway, got up inside 77. Alrighty, you guys,
ready to go?
Ready to go?
Oh my god.
Alrighty, we're gonna be taking off now.
All on the move.
And that way.
Helicopter 7 showing November, traffic Pilatus departing runway 5 midfield airborne.
Got up inside.
It's so
Helicopter 7
easy
showing November behind.
the sky.
Southbound behind departing traffic 77.
And that way I fly so high. It's so easy.
It's the new FAU Stadium on the left, Florida Atlantic University.
Yeah, I am from that university actually.
This is the whole campus we're flying
Yeah. Here is my building.
It's her building right there.
Yeah.
All these canals you see here on the right, on the left, they're all man-made saltwater canals that go and connect to the intercoastal waterway you'll see shortly and out the inlet. So you can live 3-4 miles here and have a boat or a jet ski or a kayak and make it all the way out the inlet. We'll go. We'll continue along the intercoastal. We'll go around to downtown Fort Lauderdale. Buildings ahead. Yeah. Las Olas is their riverfront, and then we'll fly out the inlet just by Lauderdale International, and we'll take the beach route back. Perfect. This here is downtown Fort Lauderdale.
We used to live close to this area.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
See the parking garage in between the buildings? If you look on top of the parking garage, that's a parking spot for us.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
This is the riverfront, and this is Las Olas right here, this road. This area right here is the riverfront. They're building a lot of buildings here all of a sudden.
Yeah. Oh, look at the public. Public.
There's a public.
Yeah.
That's Fort Lauderdale International Airport to the right there. This here is Port Everglades. This is where all the cruise ships sit. All the Royal Caribbeans and Carnivals. I guess none of them are here now.
Yeah. Wow.
Nice yachts over there.
Oh my god. This is the die for. Oh my god.
It's so easy to
Wow. Look at the view.
And that way I fly so high. It's so easy to reach the sky.
Açtın mı?
Buraya bakıyorum.
Gözlerini kapat demiştim. Bir sorum olacak. Eğlenir misin?
Efendim evet.
Son kararın mı?
O kadar.
Son kararın mı?
Son kararım.
Tamam.